Post Malone being a sweetheart. It's a great clip. It is, I guess he's out in public and this person's having a birthday party, 21st birthday. And this person is posting, Post Malone wishing my son Andrew a happy 21st birthday. And you click on the clip and you can see he's being very sincere here. He's taking the time. It's just at a restaurant. You know how this goes. It's like, hey, man,
Thank you. Thank you. I'm always good. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You are.
You don't have to get those right now.
This is his 21st birthday, and he drank his first beer.
Yeah, what kind of beer you get? That's a tough choice. Not for me. But, you know, that's something else.
He has autism. He knows all your songs.
Dude, thank you for listening. That's so sweet.
I might cry.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
he's in shock. The kid, well, the 21-year-old. You can tell it's just like slowly. Whoa, that's actually.
Moms are cool.
Why did things just happen here?
And he continues to chat with the mom a little bit. And I guess he's waiting for his bill, or I don't know what he's actually up to at that moment. But it seemed very sincere to me.
Cool.
And she says in the clip that the son has autism and he knows all the songs. And then she says he just turned 21. He's having his very first beer. It doesn't even look like he had a sip of the beer yet. And I'm not sure that he even got an answer to his question, which was a good question.
What was the question?
Which beer did you go for? It's your first
right,
beer
right,
ever.
right,
It's
yeah.
kind of interesting which beer you would choose.
Did you also notice the handshake?
Yeah, there was a handshake as well, which again is it's a established interaction and connection point.
Yeah, I like the way he carries himself as a celebrity, Post Malone.
Oh, so this is you're sensing a theme, like you've.
Yeah, he's always so well, at least the clips that I've seen.
I mean, he's a
Maybe
human
there's
being.
something
I'm
out
sure
there.
there's times where he's up and times where he's down,
But he's always had a very down to earth, mellow vibe, and
I agree with that. I mean, I've witnessed the same, and this is another example of that. And I think this makes us feel well. You love to see it. The what would you call it? The sincerity.
Feel good?
Yeah, and I say sincerity.
Yeah.
Because it's an attribute that it's not always there, and it happened to be there in that moment. It's tough to find.